Freebies are not always good. It is a general human tendency to get attracted to free things. If you are connected to a public Wi-Fi, be rest assured that someone is stealing your data and your confidential information. Using free open source software, cybercriminals can easily steal thousands of user credentials, login credential to your social network account, email account and bank account. Few megabytes of data can ruin your life and make your life miserable. Free Wi-Fi at hotel, airport, cafe, railway stations, library or any public places like coffee shop can easily expose your sensitive data, confidential file, documents and business secret. Wi-Fi itself is not secure. Even a new script kiddie can run an open source hacking tool and crack an Wi-Fi password. An attacker can launch a man-in-the-middle attack when you are connected to a public Wi-Fi. They will act as a server between your system, your device and the website you are trying to. The data passing by is stolen. Cybercriminal uses the dark web to sell this data for a premium price. There are various security threats like data stealing or leakage, fake Wi-Fi network set up by an hacker within a same corporate Wi-Fi name or network. Few security tips would be never to connect on a public Wi-Fi, use network scanner and intrusion detection system to find fake Wi-Fi connections.